Hey adrenaline seekers, welcome to the ultimate destination where pure excitement meets unrelenting thrill. Brace yourself for heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping action, and the most exhilarating moments ever captured. If you're here for the ultimate rush, you're in the right place. Let's set your pulse racing and keep the adrenaline pumping.
Attention adrenaline hunters, welcome to the ultimate destination where pure thrill meets relentless excitement. Get ready for heart-stopping chases, jaw-dropping action, and moments so intense, they'll leave you breathless. If you're here for the ultimate adrenaline rush, congratulations, you've just found the right place. We're about to rev up your pulse and keep that energy soaring, because here, the thrill never stops.
10-4 speed, they 104, approach 42 south.
Back up 13, go for the PBI, back up.
The police made efforts to catch up with the vehicle, which was estimated to be traveling at 100 miles per hour, recklessly weaving through traffic as it sped southbound. As the driver entered the on-ramp to Highway 43, Sergeant Preston executed a tactical vehicle intervention, causing Register's car to spin out and crash into the guardrail, effectively ending the pursuit.
Yeah, just north of 43, go down the big roadway.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Get out the car! Hands! 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 Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Got me covered?
Yeah, cuffed.
The police quickly approached and arrested the driver without further incident. The individual was later identified as Casey Register. He was transported to the Jefferson Regional Medical Center for evaluation, where after being examined, he showed no serious or minor injuries. He was then taken to the Du Bressil Detention Center. On January 19, 2023, while on official patrol, Officer C. Newell was alerted by a deputy from the Chatham County Sheriff's Department about a white Nissan Murano with a broken rear window that was attempting to flee. Upon receiving the notification, Officer Newell immediately sped up in an effort to pursue the suspect, determined not to let him escape.
538, I'll be 1080. 204 Grove Point Road. It's a white Nissan Murano. Tom Battle Jones, 712 DJJ7. Just ran from Chatham to Steve, just 1080 from Chatham.
We're 1080. Don't worry about who initiated. We're trying to chase his car right now. Go. Okay. Just let it go for a second. We want to get...
As the Nissan continued fleeing east on Georgia 204, driving recklessly as it approached Sweetwater Station Road, the driver made a U-turn and accelerated west on Georgia 204. another vehicle, narrowly avoiding a collision with a Dodge Charger that was yielding to the right. Taking advantage of the opportunity, the police successfully performed a pit maneuver, causing the Nissan to roll over several times. The contents of the vehicle were thrown out as it came to a chaotic stop. They hit and they began firing.
You got a back on you? Got that airbag right now. Keep on it. They start shooting out there, move out of the way. Pull it out. Pull it out. There you go. Now pull it out. Take it out.
As the Nissan rolled over, the driver, who was not wearing a seatbelt, was ejected from the vehicle. The police immediately notified the Troop Communications Center about the accident and requested that the fire department and EMS provide medical assistance. The driver, later identified as Amy Wise Padet, was declared dead while en route to the hospital.
Get on
the ground! Get on the ground!
On March 25, an officer, Jimmy Harmon, from the Lamar Police Department, reported the theft of a white Ford pickup truck towing a trailer in Lamar. After receiving a tip, the police quickly surrounded the vehicle and attempted to initiate a stop, but the driver refused to pull over, triggering a pursuit.
29 Clarksville, I contacted it. We're westbound. We need 1024 with it. Still going westbound, 57 mile marker. Yeah, County and PD with me.
29, are you covering?
We're still on going. He's got trying to sling that stuff off the street.
The Clarksville police also attempted to deploy spike strips in an effort to stop the vehicle, but were unsuccessful. The pursuit continued west at speeds of around 70 miles per hour. It was further reported that it appeared the suspect was intentionally trying to shake the contents of the trailer during the pursuit.
So they get some more units and freeze them here. 70 miles an hour, still less than 40 in the fast line, or fast one.
Units, be careful. I think he's trying to sling that stuff off the street. That looked like a male, but I just looked at 28 and lit him up. I didn't get in front of it.
Oh, that's the 53.
A Coal Hill police unit also strategically deployed spike strips, successfully puncturing the driver's front tire. However, the thief desperately attempted to accelerate and continued fleeing.
Your lane.
Well, it lives in an icebox out the back. He's sweet. Looks like we got a front tire, front driver's side tire. Definitely front driver's side tire. 68 miles an hour. Westbound.
However, with the front tire damaged and swerving uncontrollably, the vehicle struggled to move. Eventually, the thief was reluctantly forced to slow down and stop, bringing an end to the pursuit after a determined effort by the police.
Scott's coming to stop here soon. Just before the Franklin. We're pulling over on the shoulder just before Franklin County.
29 to the felony site down at your 10.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
The suspect was seen exiting the vehicle, nude, and attempting to flee the scene before being apprehended by police. She was then transported to the Johnson County Detention Center, where she was charged with theft, fleeing, reckless driving, and resisting arrest.